Hi, in the last video of this series, we added health bar to our game. Today we will create our first enemy. So first start with creating empty object that will store enemies. Then create square sprite and change it to slime. I will leave you a link to this asset. After that, let's begin with script. So first we will declare transform of player and speed of our slime. Then we will use move towards function to move slime. The last thing that we need to do in script is to rotate sprite when slime is moving left. We can do that by comparing player's position with slime's position. So now let's get back to Unity and set everything up. So now let's test it. As you see, it all works fine. So that's the end for this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch next video of this series.